You might have heard about the DIEP flap for breast reconstruction, and it could sound a bit tricky. Let's try to explain it in a straightforward way. Picture this. You've had a mastectomy because of breast cancer, and you're hoping to rebuild your breast in a way that feels and looks as natural as possible without using implants. That's where a DIEP flap comes in handy. So what exactly is it? DIEP flap stands for Deep Inferior Epigastric Perforator. Basically, it's a type of breast reconstruction where your surgeon uses your own tissue from your lower belly to create a new breast. Instead of a silicone or saline implant, the surgeon uses skin, fat, and the tiny blood vessels that supply them from your lower abdomen. This is the most important part about DIEP. Unlike older techniques, your abdominal muscles are not cut or removed. The surgeon carefully works around them, preserving your core strength. These tiny blood vessels from your belly are then meticulously reconnected to blood vessels in your chest using a special microscope, allowing the tissue to thrive. Because it's your own body tissue, the reconstructed breast will feel soft and warm, just like a natural breast. It will also change with your body if your weight fluctuates. As a bonus, because tissue is removed from your lower abdomen, you often get a flatter, tummy tuck-like effect in that area. It provides the most natural-looking results, and since it's your own living tissue, it usually lasts a lifetime without the risks associated with implants. Keep in mind, it's a complex procedure that requires a highly skilled plastic surgeon. It takes several hours to perform, and recovery can take a bit longer than with implants. In essence, a DIEP flap is a sophisticated way to rebuild your breast using your own tissue, focusing on preserving your muscles for natural results. Book your consultation today to learn more.